Namaste guys, this is a very short video. So today I went to Patan for a heritage walk, so it was not a plan and I just ended up going there. Patan is a city which is located near Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, and Patan has really preserved its rich culture and heritage, including its traditional Nepali architecture. The city has maintained its traditional buildings and restored them to keep the Newari culture alive, and the heritage walk is a great way to experience the city's cultural heritage and architecture. And we went to Pimbahal Patan. There is a Pimbahal pond, that's a pokhari, that's what we call in the Nepali language, and it's really beautiful. And Pimbahal Patan is a historic area that has become a popular place for young travelers, for youths, and it's a great spot to relax with stunning views. And this place is surrounded by cafes, restaurants, so you can have anything. You can take a coffee, tea, or just enjoy sitting there, sitting the ambience and enjoying the Newari architecture, houses, and there are lots of temples around, and you can also do the boating. So it's a nature, culture, and let's see, a modern lifestyle. So modern lifestyle of youths, they are all together. While roaming around this area, what I saw was there were senior citizens also there. There were parties, that's what we call in here Kathmandu the sitting place, the resting place, where the older generation, senior citizens can talk, they can just enjoy, and there are also places where the youths can hang out. So it seems to be a merger of both the senior citizens and youth. And around this area, this pond, there are lots of restaurants, cafe, so there is no problem of eating out. So culture, nature, and businesses, so cuisine all came together, and that's the reason what I believe this is what it made Pimbahal Patan a very attractive destination.